Leo mchana mwendo wa saa 8 tulipata ripoti ya kwamba kuna mwanafunzi mmoja amejirusha kutoka kwa gorofa from the 7th floor, na wakati alipojirusha aliweza kuanguka chini na akaumia kwa kichwa na miguu yake. The student was taken to hospital, that is Thika level 5, where he died while undergoing medication. The student was a 4th year student. He was taking Bachelor's of Agriculture and Rural Development course. What I can tell the students is that when somebody is in a such situation, other than maybe taking his life or her life, it's better maybe to consult maybe the parents, elders or counselors for advice other than taking his or her life.